Welcome to House WoQuanShanFang by Yinyuan Studio, a residential project that explores a close relationship between architecture, courtyards, and nature. Rather than focusing on a dramatic exterior form, the house creates its identity through a sequence of enclosed rooms, open spaces, and carefully framed views. The design brings natural light, greenery, and outdoor space into everyday living. Throughout the residence, traditional courtyard principles are interpreted through a contemporary architectural language, creating a home that feels private, calm, and connected to its surroundings. From the outside, House WoQuanShanFang presents a restrained architectural expression. The composition is built around solid walls, controlled openings, and carefully positioned volumes rather than a single dominant form. This creates a sense of privacy while allowing selected views toward the landscape. The exterior reflects the project's connection with traditional courtyard architecture, but the overall expression remains contemporary. Instead of competing with its surroundings, the house appears to settle naturally into the site, establishing a quiet transition between the architecture, garden, and surrounding environment. Air into the center of the residence while also helping define privacy between different zones. As you move through the house, spaces gradually open and close, creating changing views and different levels of intimacy. The result is a residential layout that feels more like a journey than a simple collection of rooms. The entrance creates a gradual transition from the outside world into the private atmosphere of the house. Instead of revealing everything immediately, the architectural sequence uses walls, openings, and framed views to create anticipation. As visitors move through the entrance, glimpses of courtyards and greenery begin to appear. This makes arrival an important part of the architectural experience. The entrance establishes the project's main idea from the beginning. Architecture should not simply provide shelter, but should carefully control how people experience light, landscape, privacy, and movement. The living room provides an important gathering space while maintaining a strong visual connection with the outdoors. Openings bring natural light into the interior and frame views toward courtyards and planted areas. Instead of relying heavily on decoration, the character of the room comes from its proportions, materials, daylight, and relationship with the surrounding spaces. The living area therefore feels connected to the larger architectural composition rather than functioning as an isolated room. This relationship with nature gives the space a calm atmosphere while supporting everyday family activities and social interaction. The dining area continues the connection between interior living and the courtyards outside. Its position allows everyday meals to take place within a visually connected environment, where natural light and greenery become part of the experience. Rather than separating the dining space completely from the rest of the home, the design creates continuity between dining, living, and outdoor areas. This arrangement makes the space practical for daily use, while also giving it a strong architectural identity. The changing daylight and views of the landscape add variety to an otherwise simple everyday activity. The kitchen is integrated into the home's larger living environment rather than treated as an isolated functional room. Its relationship with nearby living and dining areas supports everyday movement and interaction. Natural light and connections toward outdoor spaces help make the working environment feel open and comfortable. The restrained architectural language also allows the kitchen to remain visually connected with the rest of the house. Here, functionality and atmosphere work together. The design demonstrates that practical spaces can still participate in the project's larger idea of connecting domestic life with light, landscape, and carefully organized architecture. The bedrooms move toward a quieter and more private experience. Their relationship with courtyards and controlled views allows natural light and greenery to enter without sacrificing a sense of enclosure. Instead of opening completely toward the outside, these spaces maintain a more intimate connection with nature. This creates a calm atmosphere suitable for rest and personal time. The bedrooms also demonstrate how the project's courtyard strategy works at different scales. Public areas may open toward larger shared spaces, while private rooms connect with smaller, more controlled outdoor views. The bathrooms continue the house's exploration of natural light and carefully controlled openings. Courtyards or light wells help introduce daylight into these more private spaces, reducing the dependence on artificial illumination. The relationship between enclosed surfaces and small outdoor areas also creates a stronger sense of depth. Although the bathroom is primarily functional, it still follows the same architectural principles found throughout the house. Light, privacy, and nature are carefully balanced to create a more comfortable environment. This attention to secondary spaces helps maintain a consistent design language across the entire residence. Beyond the main living areas, the house includes quieter spaces that support more individual activities. These areas provide opportunities for reading, working, concentration, or simply spending time away from the more social parts of the home. Their connection with courtyards and controlled daylight creates a different atmosphere from the main gathering spaces. Instead of designing every room with the same character, the project allows different spaces to support different moods and activities. This variety makes the residence feel more responsive to everyday life, balancing social interaction with privacy, concentration, and moments of quiet reflection. Outdoor space is treated as an extension of the interior rather than a separate part of the property. The courtyards create intermediate zones where residents can experience fresh air, daylight, and vegetation while remaining closely connected to the house. These spaces also provide visual connections between different rooms. Instead of one large outdoor area, the landscape is distributed throughout the architectural composition. This creates smaller, more intimate moments of outdoor living. The result is a house where moving from one room to another can also mean moving between different relationships with nature. The landscape plays a fundamental role in defining the atmosphere of House WoQuanShanFang. Gardens and planted courtyards are carefully integrated with the architecture, becoming visual extensions of the interior spaces. Vegetation softens walls, frames views, and introduces changing colors and textures throughout the seasons. The landscape is therefore more than decoration. It helps organize the experience of the house. As residents move through different spaces, they encounter changing relationships between architecture and greenery. This creates a contemporary interpretation of courtyard living where nature is continuously present within the everyday domestic environment. Materials and natural light work together to create the quiet character of the interiors. Instead of depending on excessive decoration, the architecture uses restrained surfaces, carefully proportioned openings, and textured elements to create visual interest. Daylight enters through courtyards and controlled openings, changing the appearance of walls and surfaces throughout the day. Shadows become part of the architecture, while outdoor greenery can be seen through selected openings. This creates an atmosphere that changes naturally with time and weather. The result is a home where light and material become essential parts of the architectural experience. Looking at the house through a 3D floor plan makes its organization easier to understand. The residence can be read as a composition of enclosed rooms and open courtyards working together. Living spaces, private areas, functional rooms, and quieter spaces are connected through transitional zones and landscape. The courtyards act as important spatial anchors, bringing light and air into the arrangement while controlling views and privacy. From above, the balance between built volumes and open spaces becomes clear. The house is not simply organized around rooms, but around the relationships between rooms, courtyards, movement, and nature. House WoQuanShanFang by Yinyuan Studio demonstrates how contemporary residential architecture can reinterpret the principles of traditional courtyard living. Its strength comes from the relationship between architecture, landscape, natural light, and everyday movement. Rather than relying on an extravagant form, the house creates richness through carefully controlled views, courtyards, materials, and transitions between spaces. The result is a calm residential environment where nature becomes part of daily life. For anyone interested in modern house design, residential architecture, and thoughtful home planning, this project offers an inspiring example of how simplicity and spatial organization can create a deeply engaging architectural experience.